Your brain can create memories of things that never happened. You trust your memories every day, but what if some of them are completely wrong? Your memory is not like a video camera recording everything perfectly. Instead, your brain rebuilds memories every time you remember something. And sometimes, it fills the gaps with information that was never there. This is called the false memory effect. Psychologists discovered that people can remember events that never actually happened. In experiments, researchers showed people fake information about their past. Some participants started believing those false details were real memories. But why does the brain do this? Because the brain cares more about creating a complete story than keeping every tiny detail perfect. Your mind is constantly trying to make sense of the world. That ability helps you survive, but it can also trick you. Even your strongest memories may not be as accurate as you think. Two people can experience the same event and remember it differently. This is why eyewitness memories are not always perfect. Your brain is not lying to you. It is simply trying to protect you and create a meaningful story. So the next time you remember something clearly, ask yourself, is this a real memory or a story my brain created?